Hi everyone, I'm Yash. I'm a customer success head and a partner alliance manager at 360. I've been working with 360 from past 8 years, and over all these years, one thing that is driving me crazy that technology is something that can always make things easier, for anyone. If the technology is making things hard for you, then it's not a technology. So that's a core belief that we have, and with that mindset, me and my team are focusing on how we can leverage the AI and automations in one of the most common aspects of professional networking, which is LinkedIn as of now. So let's talk about what exactly we are solving, what's the problem right now, and what exactly we are solving. So being everyone over here, to all the judges and the audience over there, they all know that the sales and marketing people waste their hours every week just to identify the leads, respond them, and getting engagement with them, and all these things are done manually. I mean, even if they have a tools like Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Premium, these things would be done manually itself. But now we have this 360 AI Connect. 360 AI Connect is basically a product that works on, our own LLM models that are basically defined on a group on GPU servers. And what it solves is that it basically, extract the client requirements, discover the key prospects that you are using, that you have, and it even automate your personalized engagement through the NLP insights. Some of the key features and the capabilities that we have are AI-driven requirement understanding. Sales guys don't have to focus on, what exactly the requirements are. I mean, they can just, AI can help them understand to what exactly the ask is, and they can pitch the appropriate product itself. AI-based lead discovery. Our product can find out the appropriate leads that can be a good closure, or maybe you can say the hot leads or a marketing qualified lead itself. AI generated messaging. Now, generating a message with an AI is not a rocket science in 2025, but what our tool is doing different is it's not generate the message, it analyze, it understand, and then generate the messages. What it analyze, basically your profile, your prospects profile, their comments, your post, everything is being analyzed, and then the message is generated. AI powered post generation, even with visuals. I mean, sales guys don't have to waste their time to write a post. Just tell the ai tell the AI 360 AI Connect what exactly they want it to be and how they want the post looks like. Done. It's and apart from that, smart automation controls. I mean, what if I tell a sales guy I don't have to reply to each and every message, reply to each and every connection and all manually? It can be done via an automation using the AI and the automation together. So that's what our 360 AI Connect does basically. So we are making the things faster, for the salespeople so that they can work on the data-driven lead generation, not just any lead or any prospect. It depends on whether this lead is a marketing qualified leads or not. And obviously, it will improve the conversions and the engagement rates because everything is done in an automated manner. And ultimately, it will enhance the brand visibility. And one of the major thing that every sales guy or would love to do is reducing their manual work. So as per the studies, so LinkedIn Sales Report 2024, in any B2B industry, 70% of the leads are originate from LinkedIn itself. So that's what it does basically. It can be used by the salespeople and obviously from the marketing people. HR and recruitment teams can also use them to find a right candidate for the job profile. Everything done within an AI-driven LinkedIn automation that can understand the client requirement, generate a lead for them, and even engage for them. So today we are going to present a use case where a sales guy is looking for, to provide the contractual resources and finding a right prospect who can hire their contractual resources out there. So let's go into the live demo. On my screen, you can see the 360 AI Connect. Now, this is the best part. You don't, as a sales manager, if I talk about not a sales guy, you can have multiple accounts. As a sales manager, I can see, I have a Yash, Kavya, Josh, Ajita, everyone in my sales team and what exactly they are doing. So that's a benefit of this product as well. One of the benefit. Now let's switch to Yash Bhatia account. That's my account, and let's go to the other modules one by one. The second module is publish. So the publish module is basically, it can help the a sales rep to understand to generate a post over there. You can generate a post. You can even generate a post and an image, etc. and etc. Give the prompt to the our LLM models, and it's not just only working on your prompt. It will even analyze your previous posts. It will analyze your how your previous post looks like, what exactly the pointer that you are looking for. So based on that, it will generate that post. So as you can see over here, it generate a post for me within a one single click. I can post it to a LinkedIn or even schedule it for a later one. That's a basic feature. So it posts on a LinkedIn, and if I go over here on my profile real quick and open up the post, you can see over here that within one single click, an appropriate post is over here. Now coming to the major point, which is Smart Engage. Smart Engage is, help the sales rep to automate the engagement part with the reactions on their post, with their comments on their post, and even with the connection requests and all everything. So as you can see over here, this is my recent post that I have posted. So I'll show this to you later, but yeah, 360 Auto Connect. Obviously, this will open up the post on a LinkedIn itself. 360 Auto Connect. So you can see that there are one reaction and three views on my post itself. So if I go to 360 Auto Connect, so basically what it does, it will analyze my post. It will analyze the comment that is being done by the people on my post. And based on that, it will generate a comment. And not only that, it will also, analyze the profile of the LinkedIn user who actually posted it. So, and based on that only, it will generate those comments, reply, and the sales rep can do that within a one single click itself. I mean, manually one by one. And if a person is not in my connection list, then it will even send the connection request with a particularly personalized message itself. Now, what if I told you that if all this can be done, you don't even, need to review those things. Just click on this checkbox 360 Auto Connect and just press this button. Within two clicks, sales rep is replying to multiple comments, sending a connection request, and also engaging with the people who actually only view their post. So how does it sound like? It will save a lot of time for any sales rep, and this is something every sales rep needs today, that you know that can save their a lot of time over there. Apart from that, you can even find the relevant contacts, relevant records over there on the, that is based on your post. Who are the relevant people that can be, that are looking for basically, more relevant to your post, etc. and etc. So you can send the connection request directly from over here itself. Let's see if we have the comment replied or not. So you can see that, I haven't done anything. I just press two clicks and every comment has a reply from me. That's a magic. Don't even need to type it and anything. And the best part is it is even more personalized as well. The next section is discover. Now, you all know that you can find people on LinkedIn. That's the basic feature of the LinkedIn that you can find anyone on the LinkedIn itself. But what I tell you that now you can find people by giving the R LLM model a prompt that will analyze every single factor, your profile, your previous searches, your people who recently reacted to your posts, etc., and etc. So all these factors are being analyzed. So let me just go ahead and search for anything. Uh, Find me the. So here we go. Oh, it provide me the results, filter out results, and even over here, the reason it shows Angela as a top search because previously I searched for Angela from my LinkedIn account. So that's why I tell you that it is analyzing each and every factor that is going to be, considered before providing any results. It's not just, any AI just providing a prompt and giving the results. That's not it is. And you can even send an email. So if the connection is not there, you can send a connection request or send an email out there as well using a one single click. Now, connection request. So the connection request basically, analyze all the connection requests that you have received on your LinkedIn account. As you can see, I'm logged in as Yash as of now. So it will analyze all the connection requests that I received and tell me whether it's a best one or not, giving a scoring of each and every request, and I can accept or reject the request based directly from over here. So you can see that the after a complete analyzing the profile of the connection, it is giving me a scoring and it is also providing me the details like why it is relevant for me to accept because a professional relevance is there, profile credibility, headline quality, future value. So all these things can be, very easier for a sales rep to identify and connect to a right people at right time. Now, a dashboard. Yes, obviously, a dashboard is very much required, and it will tell you which sales rep is, doing a lot on their end. I mean, how much they are engaging with their customers, what are their posts that they are posting out, what are I'm sorry, how many connection requests they are sending, how many connection requests they are receiving. So this particular dashboard can tell about what the complete structure or a complete, I would say, what exactly the sales rep is doing. And the best part is it is completely customizable as well. If you want to add any other analytics as well, yeah, there can be. That's not a problem. So that's what the 360 AI Connect is, and it's not limited to LinkedIn as of now. It's only LinkedIn, but our plan is to get all the other social networking out there, like a Facebook, Instagram for the marketing team, or any other, networking platform out there. At the end, I would like to say one thing as a USP. Like if your sales team is using a LinkedIn Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Premium, they can see who to connect with. But with 360 AI Connect, with all the AI, with all the automations, with our own LLM models, 360 AI Connect can tell you who to connect, when to connect, what to send, and even sometimes says it for you as well. So that's for the 360 AI Connect. And I would request my judges to share the. Okay, now the tech stack. That's very important. We are using the generative AI and the LLM integrations that are based on our GPU server itself, all kind of an automation that are being done. And yeah, obviously the LinkedIn platform as of now. But in the future, you will be seeing all the other kind of a platform as well. So to sum it everything, it will empower your sales journey with the help of AI that understand, engage, and convert smarter, faster, and at a large scale. Yeah. So let's go with the Q&A.
Hi, Yash.
Hello,
So
sir.
one question. I think this is great, good idea. Well, I understand the onboarding part of it. Where else do you think this concept can be used in risk modeling or in underwriting?
So this model can be used in various industries. Basically, as I mentioned, if a marketer want to, marketing their own product, or a HR or a recruiter wants to, find a right candidate for the job profile, this can be used in those industries itself.
Okay.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah, yeah. No.
Thank you.
So yes, the question over here. So let's say you've got 5 sales rep within the organization. So how will this work? Are you going to maintain the search history and everything at an individual level? And then how are you doing it? And then do I require the navigator license for each one of them?
No, you don't need to have a navigator license for for every sales rep out there. That's what our product is basically doing. And to answer your question, it we are connecting the LinkedIn accounts basically. So whoever a sales rep that is being, switching their accounts to, like in this demo, I switch the demo LinkedIn account to my account. So it will analyze my search history, my post, how I basically post, what are the, connection requests that I receive, etc., etc. So it depends which account you are switched to.
No, no. My question is within the tool as well, are you maintaining the search history? One is the search history on LinkedIn, but is there any prompt or the question that yes, as a user would have asked, right? Is that also maintained?
I believe yes. Yes, we
Okay.
are maintaining those search histories so that we can provide the relevant responses later on as well.
Okay. Okay.
Great solution. I could absolutely see how it would be a tremendous time saver for people that live in LinkedIn. But how do you get around, or let me put it this way, what precautionary measures are you taking to get around LinkedIn compliance, right? It has rules around bots and automation and things like that. What are you thinking that you would do to stay compliant?
So talking about the compliance, Angela, like first of all, it's user authentication is there. When anyone connects their account, it will be connecting with their LinkedIn username and password. That obviously we are not storing it on our end, but it's a integration with the LinkedIn directly that we are utilizing it over here, and following all the compliances or the LinkedIn itself.
Okay, and so have you thought through LinkedIn's inability to detect that this is not a human, right? Because they're obviously doubling down in that area.
I would like to Mayank to take this question as he's
Yeah.
a tech lead over here.
Okay. So first of all, Angela, good question. Here we are not using as a bot here as a 360 AI Connect. We are basically uses the LinkedIn APIs only, which is provided by the LinkedIn only. So we are not treating as the bot here, and all the compliances like 200 requests per day, and you cannot send the 15 messages to unknown users on the LinkedIn. That all compliances, because whenever you try to send other messages, it will say on the portal only that it is restricted to or your account. So it will not behave as a bot. It is basically an as an human agent, but it basically reduces the sales rep works, marketing team works, HR works, where a lot of team are working on a different accounts. So we utilize on the one platform all the users.
Got it. So there's some kind of message or something that tells the user that they've hit their limits based on LinkedIn limitations.
Yes, because we cannot overpass that limits. Because if you overpass
Yeah.
that limit, we can survive for 1 or 2 days, but for the longer times, bot will be restricted in anyhow.
You get blocked. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That answers my question. Thank you.